Hey guys, what's up? It's Dumb Legend, and today back with another video on dominoes, and this will be a tutorial video on how to build a single domino tower. Now, a single domino tower is an easy trick, a simple way how to spice up your dominoes, and without further ado, let's get into it. First off, you want to place a domino horizontally, flat down, like this. Then you want to build a domino, 1 height minus 2 domino thicknesses. So like this. Then you want to grab your dominoes and put them on the edge of these 2 dominoes. But yeah, you want to repeat this step. See, nothing too hard. And we're gonna do a bit of a short domino tower. Nothing too crazy. Gradually building higher, and I think the record for this is like 90 layers, which is incredibly tall. And there you go, that's simple. It should look like this from the side. Now you can make it taller, shorter. You can make it any way you want. This is your domino trick, remember that. Okay, next is how to knock this down. Now, knocking this down might be a bit difficult, but you want to grab the domino at the foundation and slightly put it at an angle where it's not knocking it down, but it's unstable enough for a domino to knock down this entire thing. It should look like this from another angle. Now this might be a bit difficult, but after a while you will get the hang of it. Okay, and finally it is time to knock it down. Voila! See, very simple, very cool. Now there's a time I said you can knock it down. You can use field starters, half bridges, normal dominoes, any way you want. And yeah, that about wraps up for today's video. Now, I will be doing more tutorials in the future, hopefully better ones, and on cooler tricks. Now, school has officially started, actually started a few days ago, and today's Wednesday, so I'll be posting every Wednesday, if not like every Friday. And I'm actually opening up a new channel called DL Shorts. Now, DL Shorts is where I do like short domino steps, and short domino tutorials, and, just entertaining guys. Now, I haven't posted anything on there yet, but I'll be posting 2 times a week on that, or at least I'm going to try and maintain a steady schedule for that channel. No, I can't promise you that I will keep the schedule, but I'm going to try my best, guys. And yeah, I'll see you next one. Peace.